I hoover up the pet hair from the sofa.
The oven door is very grimy. I vacuum the carpet. I'm organizing the medicine cabinet. I'm rinsing this mug. I disinfect the doorknob.
I polish the faucet.
I rinse the cloth.
Hi, welcome to Fluentlish. Today, we are practicing English speaking about home cleaning.
I'm cleaning the air vents to improve air quality and remove dust.
I use a feather duster for delicate picture frames.
I drain the sink.
I'm cleaning the washing machine filter to prevent blockages.
I toss the trash. I organize the pantry.
I'm organizing the medicine cabinet and removing expired products.
I'm cleaning the shower drain to prevent clogs and improve drainage.
I tie the garbage bag. I take out the trash.
Quick tip: use baking soda and lemon to remove tough stains naturally. I use fabric softener for soft clothes. I am dusting the TV. I'm flipping and rotating the mattress for even wear and better support. I dust the bookshelf with a feather duster. I wipe the mirror with a cloth. I'm vacuuming under the bed, where dust hides. Where dust hides.
I polish the kettle to make it shine. I vacuum the carpet.
I'm emptying the vacuum cleaner into the dustbin. The cat litter tray needs emptying and washing.
I load the dishwasher with dirty dishes and utensils.
I empty the dishwasher.
I'm wrapping the shattered pieces in newspaper and disposing of them safely.
I'm sorting through the food cupboard to check expiry dates. I'm shaking out the doormat to remove dirt and dust.
I ransack the junk drawer to find the scissors.
I am scrubbing the grease off the hob. Quick tip: steam lemon water for 2 minutes. Clean the microwave easily.
I rinse the cloth.
Spray the extractor hood to get rid of the grease. I am giving the fridge shelves a good wipe.
I am bleaching the grout to get rid of the mold.
I'm defrosting the freezer to remove ice buildup. I hoover up the pet hair from the sofa.
I clean the inside of the microwave. I'm wiping the baseboards to remove dust and dirt.
The oven needs a proper scrub with heavy-duty cleaner. I use fabric softener for soft clothes.
I unload the washing machine and take out the clean clothes.
I'm rinsing this mug before putting it away.
I put the vegetable peelings into the food caddy.
The oven door is very grimy from baking.
The desk is too cluttered with old papers.
The glass window is smudged from the dog's nose. I use a feather duster for delicate picture frames.
I'm bleaching the kitchen sink to remove stains. I drain the sink. I iron the clothes to remove wrinkles.
I polish the faucet.
I'm spraying and wiping down the worktops.
I scrub the bathtub. After 2 hours of cleaning, the kitchen is spick and span.
Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Keep practicing.